Just down the street from the straighter is the historic Durango Depot. The station was built in 1881, and this headquarters is where they have serviced, maintained, and repaired every engine since the Denver and Rio Grande settled Durango in 1880. And I was lucky enough to get a peek of what goes on into the prep, from the watering of the engines, to refueling, to stocking up on sand so that they can throw it down on the tracks to help grip for the 4% climb up the Hermosa Valley and into the Animas Canyon tomorrow. And engine 480 right here is getting service to pull my train tomorrow morning. And she is a Mikado K36 class steam engine, and the K in K36 stands for Mikado, and the 36 stands for 36,200 pounds of pulling power or tractive effort. And this is one of only 10 K36s ever built, and weighing in at over 180,000 pounds. Now, whether they're big or small, I truly love them all. And even the new diesels in Durango that arrived in April of 2021, because in June of 2018, the San Juan forest fire forced the railway to invest millions of dollars to convert all their steam engines from coal burning to oil, all in an effort to help reduce the forest fire risks from the coal cinders coming from the engine. And they ultimately ended up acquiring 2 twin diesel engines that you see here, which apparently most steam engine fans don't like, but I do. And following the completion of her preparation and one last spin on the turntable, old 480 would slide into bed, where I'll see you in the morning. This was a clip for a full-length show. If you want to watch the full episode of the clip you just saw, click right here, you get the full show, and they go up live every single Sunday. If you want more clips of what you just saw, click right here, you can see the next great hit.